Discuss how to use Eclipse for Java programming. I am Mrs. S. Vanitha. We have to click on Eclipse. When we click on this Eclipse icon, we will get a screen like this. It will get loaded. We will get an IDE like this, Integrated Development Environment. Here we have to click on File. So when we click on file, we will get this drop down menu. In this, we have to click on new. So when we click on new, we will get a menu like this. Here we have to select the Java project. So we will get a screen like this. Here we have to give the project name. I am giving it as sample. Then we have to press next. So we will get a screen like this. Here we are able to see the project name and under that source. Then click finish. When we click on finish, we will get the screen like this. Here we can see the the package explorer. In that we can see the project name and here we can see an arrow. So click on that. It will get expanded. Here we can see source, that is SRC. Right click on that. When we right click on that, we will get a screen like this. That is new. In that new, we have to select. When we click on new, we will get another menu. In that, we have to select class and click on class. We will get a screen or window like this. Here we have to give the package name. I am giving that as sample package and the name of the class as hello. Always the main method will be embedded within a class. So the name of the class is hello. Here I am giving it as hello and select this checkbox public static void main. When we click on finish button, we will get the screen like this. Here we can see the skeleton of code. Here we can see hello.java, that is the name of the class. And here we can see the main method which is inside the class hello. Always the main method will be embedded within a class. And the skeleton of code appears here. Here, I'll just once again type it as system.out.println and we will give some message. First program or demo and semicolon. Now run this program. Here we are able to see the output in the console. Hope you understand the demo. Thank you. Please subscribe.